Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken noodle casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in my non-stick pot, and I have a pound of white egg noodles that I bolted the directions on the package in a little salt water. That's going to be a quick, easy, delicious, simple one for tonight. And guys, Dexter's being a bad boy in the room today. Now I'm going to start, and I'm going to mix everything right in this pot. Now if you do it in a 9x13 baking pan, put your noodles in there and mix everything in a bowl and dump it over it. I have a 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to dump that in there. I have a 10.5 ounce can of cream of celery soup. And guys, this is about as easy as it's going to get, and it's going to have really big, delicious home-cooked flavor. Okay, now I'm going to take that soup can, and I'm going to put a soup can worth of milk in there. So let me fill my soup can up with milk. We might have to add more milk later or not. We'll have to wait and see. Alright. Dexter, you've been bad. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of granulated garlic. You could also use garlic powder. We're not adding any salt to this because the soup mixes have salt in them, and I salted the water that the pasta was in. I'm going to add in a little bit of pepper. Went for about a teaspoon of granulated garlic and about a half a teaspoon of pepper. Now I have 2 chicken breasts here. I seasoned with salt and pepper, put them in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes, and then I shredded them up. That's going in. Now let me grab a spoon and mix all this together, guys. Okay, now that I have that all stirred together, I'm going to add in a 10-ounce bag of frozen peas. These are the microwave ones. I did them in the microwave. We're going to go ahead and stir them in. And I'm probably going to add a little more milk in here, guys, and make this extra creamy. I'm going to add a second can of milk in there, guys. And that pasta will drink a lot of this milk up while it cooks. Alright, looking good. Now I have some shredded cheddar cheese. We're going to add some of this in there, guys. I'm going to go for about 2 cups. So I'm going to add about a cup in here. I'm going to give it a stir to mix that in. You see where we're going with this, guys. And if you don't like peas, you can replace them with corn or green beans or even carrots, whatever you like. I'm going to put a little more cheese in here, guys. So we're putting about 2 cups of cheese in the chicken noodle casserole. And this is kind of similar to how you make tuna noodle casserole, guys. Very easily put together. Alright, now I'm going to take some more cheese, and I'm going to put that on top of our casserole, guys. So let me get more cheese. I'm just going to put a nice even coating on top. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in that 400-degree oven that I cooked the chicken in for a half hour uncovered. That'll allow everything to heat through. That'll melt that cheese, and that'll make it just that much more delicious. Alright guys, this is done. It just came out of the oven. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I add a little bit of parsley just for extra color and that wow factor. Let me get here and try that. Some of this big cheese here. See how cheesy that is. It's really good. Creamy, cheesy, well seasoned. Try some of this chicken, guys. Chicken's nice and tender. That's really good, guys. I better put this down before I eat it all. Alright, there you have it. Chicken noodle casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see you.